See, I know you've been eating ogbono soup, but have you ever eaten ogbono soup this way? Just pour in your ogbono, blended ogbono, into your normal soup mix. See now, no lumps. My goodness. Add a little bit of bitter leaf. Make sure the bitter leaf is slightly bitter because that's where the real taste comes in. You will love ogbono soup when you try this. It has this unique taste that differentiates it from every other bitter ogbono soup you've been taking. Sorry about that. Now, it is that quick and easy, and you might want to eat it with any swallow of your choice, be it gari, be it semo, be it fufu. But for me, I prefer to eat it with fufu. So this is me dishing out my ogbono soup. Like this ogbono soup is ogbono with a difference. So guys, you might want to join me. Give this recipe a try and you will be thanking me and you will love it. So this is it, guys. Let's eat fufu and ogbono soup. For proteins, I'm using chicken and some orishi. So guys, let's eat. One unique thing about this soup is that it is so quick and easy to prep. And also, the more it stays, the sweeter it gets. At this point, you might want to subscribe to this channel so you get amazing recipes. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you'll be giving this recipe a try. So guys, bye. I'll be seeing you in my next one.